What if I told you that everything you've been taught about money is a lie? That the system you've been following is designed to keep you poor, while a select few get rich? Let's break it down. Imagine a single circle representing $1 million. Now, picture 10 of those circles, that's 10 million. 100 circles, 100 million. And 1,000 circles, $1 billion. Now, here's the jaw dropper. Elon Musk has a net worth 395 times that last number. And then there's you. You probably have a job right now, one you got after years of studying for a degree. But let's be real. Your savings are slim. Your expenses are high. You feel undervalued. You're stuck in a cycle of working harder, only to feel like you're falling further behind. Sound familiar? Here's the kicker. It's not your fault. The game is rigged, but what if I told you there's a way to beat it? Let's talk the truth about wealth. You've got credit card debt, student loans, and bills piling up. Wealth, getting rich, feels like a distant dream, doesn't it? You look at millionaires and billionaires, especially the ones who made it young, and think, how did they do it? Were they born into it? Did they cheat their way to the top? It's frustrating, right? But here's the truth. They're not smarter than you. They're not luckier than you. They just know something you don't. And by the end of this video, so will you. What's the formula to escape? The world sold you a false equation. Money equals salary from a job. But if you're watching this, I'm guessing you want more than just a paycheck. You want freedom. Here's the harsh truth. Trading time for money will never get you there. Let's do the math. If you earn $20 an hour and work 40 hours a week, it would take you nearly 24 years to make $1 million. And that's before taxes, expenses, and inflation. By the time you get there, most of your life will have slipped away. So, how do the self-made millionaires and billionaires do it? They follow a better equation. They follow the real path to wealth. In a capitalist world, you are paid based on the value you provide. Think about it. Why do football players earn millions? Because the market values entertainment. Why does an accountant earn more than a cleaner? Because the market perceives their skills as more valuable. But here's the key. If you want to amass wealth, stop chasing money, start solving problems. Money flows to solutions. Solve $1 million problem and you'll make millions. Solve $1 billion problem and you'll make billions. What are the examples of problem solvers? Take Amazon. Jeff Bezos solved $1 billion problem, shopping inconvenience. He made it easier, faster, cheaper. The result? One of the richest people in the world. But here's the thing. You don't need to create the next Amazon to get rich. Start small. Lister to the market. What are people complaining about? What do they wish existed? Find a problem worth solving, then create a scalable solution. A restaurant? Not scalable. A franchise or software? Now we're talking. The goal is to create something that can grow without requiring your constant time and effort. The next big secret to true wealth. Here's the secret sauce. Scalability. If your solution requires your time to generate money, you've just created another job for yourself. Example. Let's take a tech-related example. A coding teacher tutoring students one-on-one, limited earnings. But if he records his lessons, uploads them on YouTube, and streams them across multiple platforms, both free and paid, now he has an unlimited audience. The more people watch, the more he earns. Add revenue from YouTube paid memberships on premium platforms. People who love his content might even pay for his full courses or one-on-one coaching. And here's the real magic. How many people from his audience will use his knowledge to build their own careers? They'll become freelancers. They'll land high-paying jobs. They might even start their own businesses. This is true wealth creation, not just for himself, but for others too. The end game is freedom. Once you've built a profitable, scalable business, you have two options. One, keep growing it. Two, sell it. Activision was purchased by Microsoft for a whopping $68.7 billion. These are called liquidity events, the moment your hard work pays off. But whether you sell or keep your business, the goal remains the same: freedom. Freedom from financial stress. Freedom to live life on your terms. The bigger picture. At the end of the day, it's not about the money. Money is just paper, numbers on a screen. What you're really chasing is freedom. Freedom from bills, mortgages, and debt. Freedom to pursue your dreams without hesitation. So I'll leave you with this. Stop chasing money. Start chasing problems. Find solutions. Build something scalable. Create the life you've always wanted. The road won't be easy, but for those who stick with it, the rewards are beyond imagination. And one last thing, most people will never take action. They'll watch this video, nod along, and then go right back to their daily grind. But not you. You're different. You're here because you want more. So, what are you waiting for? The world is full of problems waiting to be solved, and the next big solution could be yours. If this video resonated with you, hit the like button, subscribe for more life-changing content. Drop a comment. What problem are you going to solve? And remember, let's heal with patience, hustle with purpose, and prosper with certainty. Let's do this together. Let's heal, hustle, prosper together.